Hi guys, guess what? This training is sponsored by OctaFX, and we are going to be enjoying ourselves today to understand certain things about Forex. I want to welcome you to Forex Basic Class Series 1.0 by Top Forex Academy and gladly sponsored by OctaFX. We'll be looking at how you can keep a trading journal. There will be a whole lot of stuff for you to learn, I promise. So you need to follow this video from the beginning of it to the end in order to pick the nitty-gritty of how you can keep a professional trading journal. Let's go. In this lesson, we will cover the importance of keeping a trading journal and how it can improve your trading performance. But first, let us look into what exactly is a trading journal. A trading journal is a log of all your trades, including your entry and exit points, your position size, stop loss levels, take profits, your profits, and your loss figures. By keeping a trading journal, you can gain valuable insight into your trading performance and identify areas for improvements. Here are some benefits of keeping a trading journal. Number one, it helps you to identify patterns. By analyzing your trading journal, you can identify patterns in your trading behavior, such as overtrading or holding on to losing trade for too long. This can help you make adjustments to your trading plan and improve your performance. Another thing is it can help you evaluate your risk management. Your trading journal can help to evaluate your risk management strategies. By tracking your stop loss levels and position sizing, you can identify areas where you may be taking on too much risk and make systematic adjustments to them. Another thing having a trading journal will do for you is it will improve your discipline. Keeping a trading journal can help you become more disciplined and accountable. By tracking trades and analyzing your performance, you can hold yourself accountable for the trading decisions and avoid impulsive or emotional trades. It also measures your progress. You see, when you have a trading journal, it can help you measure progress over the time by tracking your performance metrics, such as win rates, average profit loss. You can see how you are improving and making adjustments as needed. I want us to look at this example on how to actually document your trading journal. All right. For example, let's say you have a trading plan with an account balance of $1,000 and the overall direction of the markets is written down. Maybe it's up, you write up, or maybe the market is down, you write down, or if it's sideways, you write sideways. Okay, you just take down all the data you can see on the market you are trading before trading it, and what you did while trading it, and how you exit. These are the things that you keep in your trading journal. So now you are now seeing that you are trying to look at your major highs and your major lows. You mark them out by writing out the number, the price, and you name them major high and your major low. Or also you want to look at the minor structure on your time frame. You mark them out as well. And you want to also mark where you are right now, whether you are selling at a low high or you are buying at a high low. Always wait for at least 1 to 2 4-hour candles to pull back. These are some of the things that would teach you as a swing trader. You want to look for 1 or 2 4 hours candle to pull back. In order for you to take your trade in premium zone, you allow pullback to occur. If the market is actually trendy, there will always be pullback. So you allow that to happen so that you don't chase the market. All right. So tell your friend, stop chasing clout, stop chasing the market. That is what you want to avoid. Also, you want to look for confirmation. So you write it out if your confirmation is on H1, for those that are looking for confirmation on H1, and also if yours is on H4. You also want to mark out how you execute. Now you know that intraday traders want to execute on M15, while day traders might want to execute on a higher time frame like M30, while swing traders, those that are light swing, want to execute on 1 hour. those that are heavy swing, we want to execute on 4 hours. So those are the things you want to write out on your trading journal to see the kind of style you are trading. And when you also finish that, you can also add your style of trading so you can see if you're actually working towards your style of trading or you are doing something else entirely. So let's look at this chart right now for Bitcoin. This is what Bitcoin did some times in the past. And then you can see that the analysis was done on a 4 hourly time frame, and we marked out the area of interest for a sell. And then we also marked out our stop loss and our exit points around here. So this is the type of thing you want to have in your trading journal. You also want to sketch the structure of the market so that you can use it to remind yourself of what actually happened, what actually took you into the market, and how and why did you take that trade. So at the end of the trade, you want to see what you have done. What's your IRR? What's your stop loss? What's your take profit? Did you actually make profit or you actually lost? What is the lesson that you gain? What's your lot size? What's your risk? So all those things are things that you really want to actually write out in a trading journal because you always want to come back to them. They're like your diary. So you want to come back to the diary and then look at how much success or failure you have made in the past. This habit can help you correct your failures and make it success, or help you improve your success and make you more successful. So when keeping a trading journal, it's important to be detailed and consistent. Take all records, even the losing ones, including as much information as possible. This will help you get a clearer picture of your trading performance and identify areas for improvements. In the next lesson, we will cover the importance of backtesting your trading style and how you can improve your trading performance using backtesting. Thank you for your attention. Kindly subscribe to the channel and sign up on our link to get 50% deposit bonus on all your deposits. And also you can get a 100,000 demo account for learning. You can also get our promo code, which will help you to get 100,000 deposit bonus on your live account. Please visit our website, bit.ly Top Forex. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and X. Don't forget, this episode is sponsored by Octa, otherwise known as OctaFX. So make sure you sign up on OctaFX. We have our OctaFX link in the description. We also have our OctaFX links in our video. Make sure you click that link right now and join the big boys to do the big things and get to cash out on your profits on a daily. See you again next time on this channel.